Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Multinational Company Jobs for Engineers. Assistant Lead Engineer at Vestas, Chennai. Vestas Wind System is a Danish manufacturer, seller, installer and servicer of wind turbine that was founded in 1945. Vestas designs, manufacture, install and service wind turbine across the globe, and with more than 113 gigawatt of wind turbine in 81 countries, we have installed more wind power than anyone else and employs more than 25,000 people globally. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year of experience. That means 2021 batch also can apply. Now, let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineers can apply for this post. For getting full details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel ENGG Jobs for you. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From our channel, every day 10 am and 5 pm we will upload government jobs and private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Company name is Vestas. Post name is Assistant Lead Engineer, Tower Internal Design. Location of posting will be in Chennai. ID is 17470. Job description. Tower internal is a submodule of the tower module within the aerodynamic and mechanical area in Vestas Power Solutions. Vestas Power Solution is a business unit where new product ideas are developed, matured, improved and maintained and tested. Power Solution Tower Module is the technology department responsible for the design and innovation of Vestas Tower. The tower organization is 100 plus solely responsible for the design, development, industrialization and life cycle support of tower products. We are a team of diverse people with different technical competencies, educational background and personal traits. Responsibilities: accountable for providing the most reliable and efficient design for tower internal components, accountable for analytical analysis of the components besides the numerical simulations for structural strength evaluation, ensure technical policy making to ensure progress in the project and suppressive technical reviews. Prioritize the technical team tasks based on the calculated impact to project targets, identify and mitigate technical risk within the project scope, supervise and align project issues with the stakeholders, deliver the technical solution within quality, time and cost targets of the projects, etc. Qualification: bachelor or master's degree in mechanical engineering with a solid proven experience of working in relevant similar field with experience of diligently loaded structures. Experience with ANSYS or APDL is essential, as well as understanding of programming Python or MATLAB is desirable. Experience in mechanical design and specification in compliance with the relevant Indian national standards. Competencies: in-depth knowledge of structural mechanics of diligently loaded structures is essential. Systematic and problem-solving orientation, ability to plan, scope and organize work package execution, team member with a solid collaboration focus and ability to motivate colleagues within project team, encouraging a collaborative environment, etc. Role is Assistant Lead Engineer. Industry type is wind turbine. Function area is production manufacturing. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description, and from there clicking on the link you will redirect to the direct website and you can apply from there itself. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video from our channel ENGG Jobs for you. Every day 10 am and 5 pm we will upload government jobs and private jobs for engineers. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel Engineering Jobs for you. Thank you.